next muscle we are going to do is the tensorofascial latte. It originates on the anterior superior iliac spine and it inserts on the IT band here. It does hip flexion, hip external rotation, and hip abduction. Hip internal rotation. Right there. So I'm gonna have you lay back for me if you can. Sweet. So what I'm gonna have you do is just lift this leg up. You can keep your leg straight. I want you to internally rotate, so point your toe that way. Kind of have it out like that, okay? And don't let me push it down. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to do all the hip external rotators. So the first one is the piriformis. This one originates on the pelvis, surface of the sacrum, and the rim of the greater sciatic foramen, I should say. So it's kind of back here, region, sitting there. And it comes back and inserts onto the greater trochanter of the femur. So it's come back here and it rotates into this femur here. Its action is hip external rotation, so it's going to look like this. Okay, I'm going to hold your knee here. I want you to kick your leg towards me. Okay. Okay, so the next one is the gemellus superior. This one is on the spine of the ischium, and it goes also into the greater trochanter, so the spine of ischium would be back here. And it also goes back to the greater trochanter. Once again, hip external rotator, so let's have you do it again, T. Okay, next is the gemellus inferior, so this is on the ischial tuberosity. And it also goes to the greater trochanter of the femur, so back there once again. And also does hip external rotation, so can you do this again? Okay, the next muscle, the fourth one of the hip external rotators, is the obturator externus, and that would be it originates on the pubis ramii, and it inserts on the trochanteric line of the femur. So once again, here to here, kind of region there. Also hip external rotator, so I'll be back here for this. This is the Manning muscle test. So then the fifth hip external rotator is the obturator internus. This one is on the pubis ischium, or the pelvic ischium, I should say. This one inserts into the greater trochanter of the femur. So also back here again. Maybe do it again, Taylor. And its action is hip flexion. Hip external rotation. Sorry. Okay, and for the last muscle, this Manning muscle test evaluation, and the last hip external rotator is the quadratus femoris. This one originates on the ischium tuberosity, and it inserts onto the introchanteric crest of the femur. As I said, it is a hip external rotator, so one last time, Taylor, do the test. Good job.